You can see this product right here on eBay is being sold for £27.72. This is the price for that right here. 8 of them already has been sold, and you can see there are 180 tablets inside. The same product right here on Amazon is being sold for only £21. You can see the price for that one right here. So what this seller is actually doing, they're just simply picking up the product from Amazon and they're selling this product right here on eBay. And there are tons of different products, and they're doing same thing over and over again. Once they get the order on eBay, they simply process the order from Amazon. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how Amazon to eBay drop shipping actually going to work. So I'm going to show you how to find the products, how you're going to list those products as well, and how you can process the order for those products, because all of that process can be automated. Once you set it up, then all the business can run in the backend by itself as well. So I'm going to explain all of that after you may or may not hit the like button. So let's get started. There are a few things that we need to keep in mind. So first of all, once you will use your Amazon account to process your eBay order, let's suppose you get the order on eBay and you go on Amazon and you process the order and send it to your customer. Every single time you're not going to be using the same address. You're going to be using a different address, because if the customer is ordering one item from London and the other customer is in Manchester, third customer is somewhere in Scotland, then every single time you're going to be changing the address. So Amazon actually do become suspicious once you are ordering from Amazon and using a different delivery address every single time. So that's the one problem that we have. Once we are drop shipping from Amazon to eBay, we do need a solution for that. The second thing that we need to keep in mind, that the tracking number that Amazon will give us, it's not going to be acceptable by eBay, because Amazon have their own tracking number function, which can be it only works on Amazon. So if we take that tracking number, put that tracking number on eBay, no tracking information is going to be available. The third thing, once we're doing drop shipping from Amazon to eBay, we need to list a bunch of items. So we need to have something where we can find the item on regular basis. We can list those items within one click as well. And once we get the order, we don't need to use our Amazon account to process the order for the customer. So we need to have some sort of solution right here. So what I use for all of these three problems is easync. Easync is the best tool when it comes to drop shipping from Amazon to eBay. You can start with the trial right here as well, and I'm gonna put the link for a discount code and easync inside the description. So the way you use it, you just simply click on start trial right here, and all you have to do, your trial will be started, then you can link your store. So I have bunch of stores right here inside the easync. Like, you can list as many eBay store you want to list. If you need to add a new store, just simply click on add store, and then it will ask you to sign into your eBay account and your store will be listed. Once you are in the easync, the first thing that I do, I click on the store setting tab right here on the left hand side, because there are certain settings that we're gonna need to do once we're gonna start drop shipping. So click on store setting. Repricing is something that we need to keep in mind. Let's say we have an item on Amazon and that is being sold for, let's say, £10, and all of a sudden Amazon decided to increase the price to £15, but obviously we need to adjust the prices on our eBay store as well. So if we have this setting on right here, then easync will actually adjust the prices. So this is the reason we use the software. Automatic ordering right here as well. So once we get the order, easync can process the order for us. This is something that I will show you at the end, how this is going to work. And then we have auto messages right here. So if I turn that on, what's gonna happen, the easync will send the message to the customer. Once we receive the new order, it's gonna say thank you so much for ordering, all that kind of stuff as well. And also once the order is delivered, reminding them to leave a feedback. So this is gonna be all automated. There is nothing that you have to do. Just turn that on and that will be done as well. So if I just simply go back to the setting tab right here, I'm gonna turn on the tracking as well. So what the tracking is going to do, as I explain you, that the the Amazon tracking is not going to be accepted by eBay. So what the eSync is going to do is going to automatically convert that tracking number into something which will be accepted by eBay. This is a really a good function, and all of that's the reason I prefer to use eSync specifically for Amazon to eBay dropshipping, because I don't have to use any third-party software. So in order for us to find the product and like the products which will be worth selling, we go to the Finder tab right here. And in the market, I'm gonna select amazon.co.uk depending on wherever you are. Here you can select the country as well. So if you wanna select the category. So if you wanna only sell the baby item, or you wanna sell the coin, whatever, you can select that. But I normally, it's not the problem to list any kind of item on eBay. So you can list the item from any category. There is no problem like Amazon. The category is going to be gated where you're going to need a permission, all that kind of stuff as well. You can turn on the filter, and then you can sort of filter it down to according to your profit, minimum selling price, all that kind of stuff as well. And this listing get updated on a regular basis. So right now, you can see here on this pages, there are 10 items and there are over 32,000 pages. So there are a bunch of different items that you can list from eSync over to your Amazon, over to your eBay account. So when I need to list the item, all I have to do just simply click on add to store, and all of these items, I can filter them with the competitor, with the profit, with number of item has been sold as well, to make sure that the item which I'm listing are going to sell on a regular basis. So this is a really good feature right here. So once I need to list, I just gonna simply click on add to store, and that item will be listed onto my eBay store. It will come inside a draft right here. So for example, there are a bunch of different items that I have listed. You can see that they have been sent from the hot item tab, this one right here. If I enable the hot item tab right here, then I will receive the email, and then the new batches will be created right here, where I will see the hot item which are selling on a regular basis. You're going to receive an email which is linked with your eSync account. I can manage my messages from here as well, all that kind of stuff as well. So once I receive the order, it's gonna be inside my order tab. So for example, this is the item where I received the order. In order for me to process this order, all I have to do is just simply go on to my Amazon FBE balance. I already have a balance inside, but if I need to add the balance inside, I can add with a PayPal, Payoneer. I can use a crypto as well. Any type of different, they accept many different types of payments. So I have my FE balance right here. So with that one, all I have to do is just simply process the order for my customer, and then the order will be delivered to my customer. So eSync, they use their own account in order for them to actually send the item to the customer as well. So this is really easy to use it as well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna link the eSync inside the description along with a discount code. Make sure you check it out as well. And this is a really great way to get started with eBay dropshipping.